welcome back. We are continuing to talk about the sales page, our final step in our funnel. So in our previous video, we spoke about the hero section of the sales page. And in this video, we're going to talk about showing people the value of the product, how to use the different sections of the sales page to really show people the value and their desired outcome. Now, the first section we're going to talk about is the before and after section. That's kind of how I like to refer to it. So let me read it to you and then I'll explain. When you sign up for the Academy of Landing Pages That Sell, you say goodbye to the dread and uncertainty you used to feel every time a landing page doesn't produce the results you hoped for. Years of paying your dues, trying to teach yourself by desperately consuming hundreds of blog posts and tutorials. Putting up with low fees or a salary because you don't have the confidence you need in your skills to consistently improve results for your clients or business. And you say hello to creating landing pages people love to convert to because they can see themselves in every part of your page. Confidently testing hypotheses that increase performance because you know how to run top-notch research that delves into your customers' desires. Understand how each element of the landing page affects performance so that you know what to include, where, and when. So this, as I said, is the before and after section. And it really is a great section to include on any sales page because it taps into the greatest pains and fears that people have in this current state that they're in and their desired outcomes. So on the left, we have everything that they're feeling right now by not getting the results they want from their landing pages. Now, if they haven't felt this way before, when you spell it out to them, they now see the results of not having the knowledge that they need. These are results. Dread, uncertainty, paying your dues, feeling uncomfortable, not knowing what to do, putting up with the same low fees or the salary because you don't have the confidence. So all these things are essentially the pains that people are feeling right now. And on the right, we say hello to. So this is the desired outcome. We're painting the picture for our students and telling them with this course, with this product that I'm giving you, you will be able to feel confident. You'll be able to create beautiful landing pages that convert. You will understand every element. So we're painting that picture and showing them the end result. And you'll notice here that in this section, I'm not talking about how many lessons there are or what type of lessons there are or what's included in these lessons, but I'm really just talking about the important stuff, which is the value that they're getting. So this is section number 1. We move into section number 2, which is Inside Landing Page Academy. Now, in this section, we essentially talk about what they're actually getting. However, I'll read it to you and you'll see the difference between spelling out the exact curriculum and lessons that you get versus showing the value of each one. So it says, 25 plus highly actionable lessons delivered straight to your inbox. Let's admit it, we're all busy. We have work to do and taking courses is time consuming, right? Wrong. Landing Pages That Sell is designed for people like us, the people who work and need the absolute most important insights, suggestions, and recommendations delivered to their inbox daily. Get daily emails from me with everything you need to fast track your results and optimize your landing pages immediately. Get practical lessons like how to outline a landing page for your specific customer, how to write high converting copy for your page, even if you're not a copywriter. 3 formulas for high converting call to action buttons, how to choose the right images and social proof for your page, the complete checklist and guide for each section of your page, and much, much more. And I seal it, this number 1, with a testimonial. Now, this is really important because I'm not just saying, well, 25 highly actionable lessons in your inbox and essentially just writing down all the names of the lessons. What I'm doing is talking about the pain that people have, which is all of us work, we have tons of things to do, and at the end of the day, we don't have time to take courses that don't give us the ROI that we need. So this is why I created a course that helps people like you and I who work run through this course and actually put things into motion while you're watching the videos, while you are taking the course. And that's why also when I dive into the specific lessons that people get, I don't explain every lesson. I talk about the most practical and actionable ones to show them that after these lessons, they can jump in and really use them. So your goal here is not just to give a shopping list of all the lessons that you're providing or all the features that you have in your product, but to really dive into the value that people get. For example, how to write copy for your page, even if you're not a copywriter, which is the value that you're getting, because many people are worried about writing copy if they aren't copywriters. Now, as I said, I finish off this section of number 1 with a testimonial. 73.4 increase in conversions and still going. So every lesson was extremely actionable. Thanks to landing pages that sell, I now have the confidence to present my results to my clients and have many case studies to be proud of. So Gwen Stacy, marketing director of DC Comics. And this is where you essentially drive that point home of saying that these practical lessons are not just me saying that they're great and actionable, but someone experienced it, they went through it, and they are delivering those results that I keep promising. So that's just this section of number 1, where you start talking about what's inside your product. Number 2, ongoing support for your every need. A private community of people just like you, supporting your needs and answering your every question. Join our dedicated Facebook group and get ongoing support you need from your classmates. Immediate answers to burning questions, feedback, suggestions, recommendations, connect with fellow marketers who understand your daily challenges and how to help you never go it alone again. And again, we have a part of a testimonial at the end. So I could have just said, hey, you have a Facebook group, you can always come in, there's hundreds of people you can chat to. But instead, it's important for me to explain the value of having such a group, because we're all in dozens of Facebook groups, so Slack channels, and we want to understand the value of having a Facebook group and not adding more noise to your day-to-day lives. So the explanation is the fact that you get so much support from your peers, from me, from my team, that people are always there to help you 24/7. And the social proof that you get is according to that section. I was overwhelmed by all the amazing help I received. The amount of feedback, assistance, and support I received from Talia and the community was amazing. Having that trusted group of people who understand me, helping me out, was priceless. Natasha Romanoff, VP Marketing at Avengers. I love those names. So you can tell, when you know me, you can tell that these are definitely mine. So you can see that these testimonials are specifically to do with this point that I'm making. So when you're thinking about the testimonials that you're adding, or you're thinking about the social proof, don't think general, someone who's just recommending your product. Look for those testimonials that are relevant to the point that you're making. And number 3, practical and actionable examples to fast track your results. Fluff looks good on puppies, but it doesn't belong in conversion optimization. That's why you'll find detailed examples of live landing pages that work and some that don't, along with specific breakdown of why that is. Just last year, my team and I reviewed over 850 landing pages to better understand the current trends and how we can help. And then the social proof. I got 25% increase on my landing page just 1 week into the course. So my point is that it's practical, it's actionable, and fast tracks your results. So the social proof that I'm using is the fact that someone got 25% increase on their landing page within 1 week. Barry Allen, the Flash. So the whole idea here is, again, matching that, not just making a drill down of everything that people get, but really putting in that value. Number 4, accountability that keeps you on track and your results going up. Sometimes we need a little more hand-holding and support to get us going. That's why Landing Pages That Sells gives you 60 days of email support from myself and my team to help keep you accountable and make sure you're getting the most of this program. Have a question about your headline or call to action button, not sure about your landing page strategy, have a hard time understanding why your page isn't converting? This is where we come in. So our leads are up 97% and so are our B2B sales. So we have all this section dedicated to driving the points of what you get, what's inside the course, what's inside our product, by highlighting the value, the end result, the desired outcome of my students. Now, this was the second part of our sales page. First, we discussed the hero section, and in this video, we really discussed all the points of the entire section of driving value and showing it to people. So proving to people that your product is worth it and meaningful and can deliver meaningful results. In our next video, I'm going to talk about how you can introduce yourself in a way that really establishes your authority, and how to drive that point home that they should really purchase it from you and not anyone else. So I'll see you soon.